can feel sneeze coming out. Oh, excuse me. My light's fallen down. I need some light. Oh. The last few days, I've had a lot of sneezing. And the videos you're getting on YouTube now are from maybe a week ago or a few days ago. I've got so many videos to edit and upload. This is just another one. Wait a minute, I need my knee pad. This is my knee pad. What I do, I put it on my knee, on my knees, then I can put my elbow on it and rest. I've noticed a change in my sneezes as well. They're more like so, and I'm getting a lot more of my jaw's locking up a lot more recently, especially when my sneezes are getting more severe. Yeah, I sound snotty, but I'm not snotty. I think it's finished. Has it? It's like butterflies in my stomach when I feel one coming on. Well, I think it's finished. Anyway, folks, that's just another sneeze. Love you all. Keep watching. Bye.